Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to be notified as and when the readings come. So today's reading is from the angel cards. Let's see what is the first angel coming. The angel of mercy. A beautiful card. Basically, she is asking you to give mercy to others or to be merciful. But first, before I predict this card, let's go for both the cards together. The angel of discernment. Angel of mercy basically will help you to be merciful. Also, it will help you to embrace the way things come. So today it is a day of embracing things the way it is coming. Basically, not only to be merciful towards ourselves and not to trouble ourselves or punish ourselves. So more like giving ourselves self love, but also to be merciful or loving towards others. So a day of self love, to love self and to love others. Discernment basically is, where you start seeing the clarity. You decide what is good for you and you go by that. So today, whatever decisions you take it with the intent that you're taking the decision for the highest good. So I'm sure when you take decisions keeping the divine in the mind and say that I'm taking it for the highest good, then I'm sure the divine will bless you and the divine will give you what is needed for you to be happy and for you to be compassionate in this life. Today, work on pink color because it's a day of self love and to love others. So, work on pink color, carry a rose quartz, wear something in pink. Again, in the morning, if you have Himalayan rock salt, then have a bath with Himalayan rock salt water. Also, in the evening, if you can take out some time and go out with your blessed ones, with your loved ones, and with those whom you really love spending time. It can be your elders who bless you, it can also be your young ones who keep waiting for you. But just go out with someone whom you love and spend some quality time with them. Today, if you can feed a poor person, more like in the intent of spreading love, then I'm sure love will come back to you. Overall, a day of beautiful self love and love for others, and also to take decisions, leaving everything or surrendering everything to the divine, because the divine knows what is best for you. So, have a loved and a beautiful, beautiful, blessed day ahead. Thank you.